In this guide I will show you how to create a video from text and images in seconds using AI. Go to lumalabs.ai. I will drop a link in the description that you can utilize. Click try now to get started. You can create videos in two ways, either with a text prompt or with images. Let's explore both methods. First we will try text to video. Type your prompt in the prompt area. If you don't have an idea, pick one from the suggestions provided by Luma Labs below. If the suggestion isn't suitable, click the circular option to load another idea. Once you're done, click the up arrow to send your prompt. Luma Labs will generate a video based on your prompt. Next let's try creating a video from images. Here Luma Labs has newly introduced a feature called Keyframes. Click the image symbol to select an image for the starting scene and upload a second image for the ending scene. Luma Labs will combine them to produce the output. You can also add a prompt for the images if needed. Once you're done, click the send option to get the output. If you need to expand the video, click expand, or if it is sufficient for you, click download to get the results. If the video is helpful, then subscribe to our channel to get more AI tools and websites.